to the channel. I'm on my phone because my camera is messed up. I have to fix it really quick and I'm being really lazy. We just finished a great weekend with Lisa. She came to help me in the baby's room. I'm currently in the baby's room. Yeah, I'm tired. It's a lot. It's a lot hosting. So me and baby Roundtree, we are tired. We are resting for sure. Today is Sunday, October the 22nd, 23rd. And so Marcus comes back home and I am so excited to see him, but also he has to quarantine for at least a week or two, maybe for the rest of the month and November because he has been outside and he is not gonna come and spread his germs all over to me and baby Roundtree. But I'm ready for him to like be home with us. So yeah, I am about to do this prayer board while he's not here. Me and Lisa, we were supposed to do a prayer board, but y'all, we were tired. We were both tired, so we went to sleep. We did not stay up and kiki like we normally do. We went to sleep. So I am doing a prayer board for my delivery. And just something that I thought about. We were gonna do it together, but you know, we didn't have time. So I'm gonna do mine. I'm still gonna do mine. So I'm gonna show y'all that in this video. That's what we're gonna be doing. I'm just praying that God gives me a successful, healthy delivery, unmedicated. I just want it to be a beautiful experience, and I'm praying for that. And so I'm believing in that. And so once I see it on this board, I'm going to be more inspired to keep speaking it into existence, because the more you speak it, the more you receive it. Okay, you just put that thing in the atmosphere, let God touch it and agree with it, and you just move on. I think it's very important for me to do this board alone, because honestly, I'm gonna be, alone, other than God, in my head when I do this birth. So I think that, I want to manifest this, you know what I'm saying? I want to get my spirit, my soul, my mind together. And so while the house is quiet here, I felt like this would be a perfect time to just go in the baby's room. I'm in the baby's room, as you can see, and do this prayer board and just pray over it, and just, pray over this baby room, and just pray over my experience. And I think that it's just going to be a beautiful thing. Just a beautiful thing. So I'm going to take you guys along the way. Let me show you the things that I got first. I wanted to show y'all before I start my board what I was wearing. I have this cute purchase from TJ Maxx for $10 on clearance. Sometimes I like to have my belly out, so here's the belly. Check, check. So I'm gonna be doing my board in this, but it's super comfortable, so I wanted to show you guys. So it came with this, all for $10. Like, the fabric is so soft. I actually love this. I'm actually looking for another set like this. I went on their website and it was full price. It was like $40. So, I mean, I got this for $10. So I'm gonna continue to look in TJ Maxx for this. But y'all, this is the set. So let's get into this board. And again, y'all, I am on my phone, so I don't know how the quality is gonna look here. But y'all know I love boho, so I got a quart board, and I have some stickers down here, some index cards. I have some pens, and then I have like some wall decor that I want to put on here. And then I do have where is it at? These right here, some ribbons, just to like sprouse it up here. And so yeah, this is going to be my prayer board, and I am super excited. So yeah, let's get into it. here is in my closet, which I will not show because it's looking crazy. But here is the prayer board that I created for my birth. Now I'm supposed to say healthy, but it fell off. But I have affirmations up here. I have a prayer up here. I have a Bible verse up here. I have a ultrasound picture here. And I got all of this from Dollar Tree, y'all. And then I just put like words here that I can like speak into existence. Words here that, you know, I wanted to support me during my labor and delivery here. And I just, see, I'm always in my closet. I have to go in my closet to get ready. So I always see this board. So I want it to be in a place where I always see it. And so I taped it with some, those command hooks. That is what I taped it with. And then I just designed it here. And this is how it turned out. I really love it. It was just confirmation of what I was praying for, believing God for, manifesting for, trusting God, you know, just everything on this board represented how I want my labor and delivery process to go. And this is my board here. I won't get close up because I don't really want you guys to see. These are personal to me. So yeah, that's why I'm like putting my hands over here. All right, guys, so this is the end of the DIY Dollar Tree prayer board. This board meant a lot to me. And you also, like, you don't really, I did a labor and delivery, but you can create a prayer board for anything that you are believing God for. And that was one of the reasons why I wanted to make this video, to let you know that you just don't have to do it just for, you know, labor and delivery. Because I'm actually about to, now that I have had my baby, I'm gonna actually change it up, and I'm gonna add more things that I'm believing God for in 2024 in the years to come. Because I'm a firm believer. I'm a visual person. I have to see things. I can say things all day. I can write them down, make it plain. But I'm a visual person, and I have to see it to believe it. Like, it helps me if I'm seeing something every day. Like, what do I need to do to accomplish this goal? What do I need to do? Like, sit it in my spirit, God. Let it meditate in my spirit. Like, put it in my spirit daily. Like, I just don't want to look at my goals at the end of the week and say, okay, have I done this? Have I done this? Have I done that? Checklist, checklist, checklist. I want to meditate on that. I want to manifest this every day. Like, I want to see it, touch it, believe it. And this prayer board, I'll get into my labor and delivery one day, maybe. I'm not sure if I'll share. But what I believed God for was a peaceful labor and delivery. And at times it's hard to believe that I did actually have a peaceful birthing experience, but we'll get into that. I don't know, I'm about to go down a rabbit hole. But we'll get into that. But you guys can go out and have a prayer board. I know I've seen a whole lot of TikToks where people were like, I don't have any friends to create like a vision board, a prayer board, whatever. But the thing is, you do not need a lot of friends to create these type of boards. Like, your goals are your goals. Like, yes, you do want equally yoked friends to help you with your goals, to help you. You want friends to push you out of your comfort level, but also you want to also make sure God is in your goals. You want to make sure that these goals are given to you by God. You know what I mean? Like, you want to make sure that you're on one accord with him. And so I think it's important that you talk with God. And sometimes it's okay to make a vision board, a prayer board by yourself. You don't need everyone in your business, first of all. And it's good that, you know, if you do have friends here and there to help you out. But honestly, I think that, you know, your goals, you know, what your 2024 is going to look like, I think ultimately that comes from God.
and you want to make sure that you're in a space to receive what he's telling you. And that was another thing I seen on TikTok, when I'm like, people are in the comments like, I don't even have that many friends, blah 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 blah. I'm like, listen, you do not need anybody but yourself, okay? God will still provide, okay? He will provide. And I'm like, you know, it's quick to say what we don't have, but what do we have? You know what I mean? Like, let's get into the creative space here. Like, let's do some things on our own. A lot of people are scared to walk the walk by themselves, but I'm here to tell you that it can be done. As you've seen, look, and it could be done at the Dollar Tree. All of these items came from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.